This is a video introducing the key features of SWTsweter battery charger. It helps give you an overview. Of course, if you want to learn all the features, follow the link in the video description. Let's start by learning about the key features of SWTsweter battery charger. 12 amp suitable for lithium iron phosphate lead acid battery charger. 12 volt, 12 amp, 24 volt 6 amp 10 stage quick battery charger. Designed to charge, maintain, and repair all 12 volt and 24 volt lead acid automotive, lithium iron phosphate, marine and deep cycle batteries including AGM, GEL, EFB, SLA, flooded, wet, calcium in cars, truck, SUVs, ATV, motorcycle, snowmobile, lawnmower, boat, tractor, forklift, golf cart, and more. Note, this isn't a jump starter, it needs to be plugged into an outlet to work. The car battery trickle charger features winter and summer modes with smart control to adapt to temperature changes and adjust the charging rate, preventing battery drain. It offers multiple protections, including reverse protection, a cooling system, overcurrent protection, fireproof materials, overcharge, and short-circuit protection. These ensure safe charging, making it perfect for maintaining batteries over winter or during holidays. Built-in advanced battery repair mode to help recover old/idle batteries and extend battery life. If the battery cannot be charged, please use repair mode. The high-frequency and low-frequency pulse technology has good repair and activation effects. Automatically enters trickle/float charging mode after fully charged. Keep maintaining your batteries during this winter and more, leave batteries for holiday months and still brand new when you back. Please note, it cannot repair a totally dead battery. Extra large LCD screen not only clear to see under the sunlight but also displays the charging and battery status, charge voltage and current, inside temperature, charge percentage, summer mode, winter mode, etc. 12-volt battery charger weighing only 1.7 pounds, it will automatically stop when it is fully charged, and you do not need to wait during the charging process. Easy to carry and store. The car battery charger mode has a memory function. After charging, it defaults to the state mode used before the last power outage. You can click the subscribe button and select the bell to receive instant notifications when future videos are uploaded. See you in the next video. Thank you.